In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to manually install Epson EcoTank L1110 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, I want you to copy the link that I have pasted or that I have provided you at the description box below. Please copy it. Once you've copied it, please open your Google Chrome. The moment you have opened it, please proceed to the address bar and paste the link that you have copied. Make a right click and click on paste. You can either press Control V key in your keyboard, and that way you'd be able to see this kind of page where you can see the option L1110. So wait until you'll be able to see this drop-down menu where you can select the operating system, which is Windows 11. Once set, you need to wait until you'll get to see this list of the option, and there you can see drivers, print driver for Win64-bit. Click on download. And in this new tab, it will ask you first to agree on the license agreement. Just click on accept so that you can continue on the downloading process. So in my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. Once completed, navigate to the top right corner, click on this download icon, and eventually you'd be able to see the exe file. Please click on this folder icon to show it in folder. Now, the moment you are here, please make a right click while selecting it and click on the cat icon to copy it and then close the windows being opened. Here at the desktop, make a right click and click on paste. So once you have pasted it, you need to double tap to extract or unzip the file, or either make a right click and use the WinRunner tool if you have. Use that one to extract it. So go with extract to L1110. So wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would mean that we will now proceed to the installation. Once it's here, before we moved on to that process, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. Now to install, navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Okay, so here at the settings, please navigate to the left side and find for Bluetooth and devices. Click on that one. Once you click on it, you need to scroll down and find for printers and scanners. Here you'll get to see this option called Add Device. Click on it and wait until you can reveal another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, directly click on it and in a few seconds you would be able to open this window where you can find a printer by other options. Please proceed with add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on Next. Click on this down arrow key and please choose among of these three USB ports. So it could be 001, 002, or 003. Once set, please click on Next, click on Have Disk, and you need to go over this. So see the desktop, then we need to click on that next to Home. Then we need to find the extracted file, double tap. Just double tap until you'll get to see the three drivers. Select any of that, click on Open, and click on OK. Once done, eventually you'll be able to see the printer, and then here, please rename that. So in my case, I'll be setting Epson L1110 as the printer name. Click on Next so that you can now start the installation. Please wait until this process would be done. Once done, click on Next. Click on Finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed this printer driver Epson L1110. So without any further ado, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.